Today we're going to be beginning one of my favorite projects. It is sunflowers in the style of Vincent van Gogh. Now we've looked at some of Vincent van Gogh's work, and today we're going to be doing the first step. And we're using some materials in some different ways for this. Today we're going to be drawing the vase and the flowers, and we're going to be drawing them in black glue. So you're going to be choosing either a blue or a purple paper for your background. I think I'll use purple this time. And you're going to be drawing with white chalk. Now the first step is to draw your vase. You may want to experiment with some vases first. You can draw them so many different ways. Oftentimes, to make them look 3D, if you curve the bottom and the top edge the same, you could make a vase like that. You could make a vase like this and curve that bottom edge. You could make a vase like this. You could really make them in any shape or size. You could add handles, however you would like to make it. So once you have decided which kind of a vase you're going to draw it, kind of plan it out. You want plenty of room for your flowers. And so you could draw your vase down here. It doesn't have to be perfect. All of this chalk is going to get erased eventually. Second step is to make the centers of your flowers only. You need to work large for this. So you want to space them out. I would do 3 to 5 at the most. Then, after you've made your centers, the next step is to make your petals. You can make them a lot of different shapes. You can make like this. And you want to work large. It's okay if it goes off the edge of the paper. It's okay if they are different shapes. It's okay if you make them small and then make them a little bigger. They do not have to be perfect. After you have your flowers, you're going to add the stems, and you want to make them double-sided. If one goes behind another one, you can stop it and start it again. You could add a few leaves, different ways, and the table edge. If you need to erase, if you don't like something, you can go like this. You can erase with an eraser, but none of this is going to show in the next step. After that's ready, make sure you have it on one of these. You're going to be using the black glue. And start at the top and work your way down. You want to start and go pretty quickly, and you want to go over all of your lines. If you mess up, it doesn't matter. That's okay. You're going to keep going over all of your lines, and you're working your way down. Using this black glue is difficult. It's best to keep the bottle moving. Do not worry if you get big blobs of it. It is really, honestly, part of what makes these look beautiful. When you're finished, leave it. And it's going to go onto the drying rack.